How to trade 100x meme coins using Bonk Bot. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of trading meme coins like a pro? Imagine having a tool that simplifies the entire process, making it easy to buy and sell at lightning speed. Well, say hello to Bonk Bot. This Telegram trading bot is your ticket to navigating the wild world of cryptocurrency, specifically designed for the Solana blockchain. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto waters, Bonk Bot has covered you. As an official partner of the Bonk community, it offers a seamless and efficient trading experience. So let's dive into this video to learn how to trade meme coins like a boss. Here we begin. Bonk Bot is changing the game for Solana blockchain traders. Forget about navigating complicated trading platforms. With Bonk Bot, you can trade directly through Telegram. No more hassle of connecting wallets or dealing with transaction delays. Just paste the token address and you're good to go. It's that easy. How to trade 100x using Bonk Bot. The first step to begin trading with Bonk Bot is signing up for an account. You can do this by downloading the provided link in the description of this YouTube video. Once you've reached the Bonk Bot page, it will open in a web browser within the Telegram app. After accessing Bonk Bot, initiate the process by typing Start to receive an overview of the platform. This will guide you through the essential steps to set up your account and start trading. Before proceeding further, ensure you have some Solana SOL in your wallet as collateral for trading. Navigate to the Settings tab to configure your preferences. You'll find announcements, minimum position value, and auto buys here. Adjust these settings according to your trading strategy and risk tolerance. Having enough SOL to cover fees and potential price impacts during trades is crucial. Step 1. Trading with Bonk Bot. Once your settings are configured, explore the various tabs within Bonk Bot to initiate trades. Familiarize yourself with the features and functionalities such as monitoring price charts, executing trades, and managing positions. Before trading, it's essential to understand concepts like slippage, fees, and price impact. These factors can significantly impact your trading experience and outcomes. Additionally, consider utilizing the tutorial provided by Bonk Bot to gain a deeper understanding of its features and optimize your trading strategy. Within Bonk Bot, you can access various settings to customize your trading experience. Start by exploring options like announcements and minimum position value. Adjust the minimum position value according to your preferences if you wish to trade specific amounts of SOL. Enable or disable the auto buy feature based on your trading strategy. This feature allows automatic purchasing when you paste a contract onto Bonk Bot. Adjust settings such as the amount of SOL you want to use for entering trades, which can be set to specific values like 1 SOL or 2.5 SOL. Define buy and sell percentages to manage your positions effectively. Determine whether you want to sell a percentage of your holdings or a specific amount. Customize these percentages according to your trading style and preferences, whether you prefer to sell gradually or in larger increments. Consider slippage and max price impact to mitigate risks associated with price fluctuations. Set slippage between 5% to 10% based on the liquidity and volatility of the tokens you're trading. Adjust the max price impact to determine when to enter or exit a position based on price movements. Explore additional settings, such as transaction priority tokens, but keep your configuration simple for ease of use. Customize settings as needed, and don't forget to delete unwanted messages to keep your interface tidy. Step 2. Initiating trades. Once your settings are configured, you're ready to start trading. Ensure you have sufficient SOL in your wallet to execute trades effectively. Utilize Bonk Bot's features to enter and exit positions strategically, optimizing your trading strategy for success in the cryptocurrency markets. As you can observe, executing transactions with Bonk Bot is straightforward. To begin, you simply copy the provided address and paste it into your Phantom wallet just like you would for any standard transaction. You can also export your private key into the Phantom wallet for added security, enabling seamless transactions. Step 3. Making deposits and withdrawals. Depositing funds into Bonk Bot follows the same process as sending funds between wallets. You initiate the transaction by pasting your Phantom wallet address and completing the transfer. Similarly, withdrawing funds involves clicking the Withdrawals SOL option, replying with DE, and pasting your Phantom wallet address to initiate the withdrawal. Bonk Bot facilitates rapid trading with its efficient backup bots, ensuring instantaneous transactions. You can explore various tokens and their details by pasting the contract into the bot. This provides essential information such as current price, market cap, and price impact, enabling informed trading decisions. Keep in mind factors like slippage, fees, and price spread when calculating potential profits. By using tools like Explorer, Bird Eye, or Soul Scan, you can delve deeper into token details and track their performance. Bonk Bot allows you to buy tokens in preset amounts like 2 SOL or 3.4 SOL and custom amounts based on your trading strategy. For instance, if you're bullish on a particular token, you can enter a specific amount, like 10 Sol, to purchase it. Step 4. Utilizing Deckscreener for analysis. Deckscreener is a valuable tool for tracking charts and contracts, aiding in making informed trading decisions. Copy the contract from Deckscreener and conduct necessary checks before initiating trades. By utilizing these tools and platforms effectively, you can confidently optimize your trading strategy and navigate the cryptocurrency market. Moreover, before trading, you can integrate various tools to ensure the safety and success of your Solana tokens, using tools like Harem, Solscanner, and RugJack alongside Bonk Bot. This will ensure they meet your safety standards, including no tax modifiability and equitable token distribution. Solscanner and RugJack provide insights into token security and safeguarding against potential risks, such as liquidity pool closures or disproportionate token holdings by a few entities. Step 5. Integration with Bonk Bot. After conducting the safety checks, you can seamlessly integrate verified tokens into Bonk Bot for trading purposes. Copy the contract address from Solscanner or RugJack and paste it into Bonk Bot to initiate trades. This streamlined process allows you to swiftly enter and exit positions with confidence. Step 6. Executing and monitoring trades with Bonk Bot. Once you've selected a token, input the contract address into Bonk Bot to access details such as current price, market cap, and price impact. You can make informed decisions regarding trade entry and exit points using this information. Bonk Bot's user-friendly interface facilitates efficient trading, enabling you to easily buy or sell tokens. After executing trades, you closely monitor their performance using Bonk Bot's tracking features. By regularly refreshing the interface, you can assess net profits or losses, evaluate price movements, and make informed decisions regarding trade management. Bonk Bot's transparent and intuitive design enhances your trading experience, providing real-time insights into your portfolio's performance. In addition to executing trades, Bonk Bot offers features such as setting alerts for new token listings or announcements. While you typically refrain from utilizing these alerts due to frequent notifications, they can be valuable for traders seeking timely updates on potential investment opportunities. Ultimately, you prioritize using Bonk Bot for its core functionality of buying and selling tokens efficiently. So, what do you think of trading 100x meme coins using Bonk Bot? Comment below and subscribe for more.